Right, you all. I am in Mississippi. I am in Mississippi. Oh my gosh, they have their plants outside in the summer heat. Okay, I have screenshotted the colors, and blue is $3 for that geranium. These geraniums, oh, they're beautiful colors. $3. And so as you see, the green half off the top of those rose half off. I'm here for Evergreens, $20. You all, I need juniper rubs. I don't see a color. Come on, you're kidding me. It's what I need. It's what I need. So there has to be. Okay, thus far, while I'm holding you all up, these for half off the, let's see, that's like $13. So they come down to be $12. Look at the size of these. This is almost 5 feet. And that one is 6 feet. Or let's see, is it a stop? Okay, well those would be 4 feet. Those would be 5 feet. It's definitely worth it. Definitely worth it. What else do they have that I missed out on? Oh, Wagelia. Oh, I need a Wagelia. I don't have one. This is emotional. Coming back here and hoping for some type of color is not fun, you all. Mississippi, you have to do better. Oh, I love my spireas. You have to come back here and paint your clearance plants. Okay, are you listening to me? I hope you are. I haven't seen it. What do we have here? This looks like it's ready to just take off. Crystal Peak Obedient plant. Yeah, we can tell. Definitely we can tell. Okay, so it don't look like I'm going to be able to buy anything else because, oh, that's blue. Okay. So if I wanted more Perennials in her, maybe she'll see how tall it is because I probably can. 12 inches high. Oh, that might be coming home with me. Wow. There's no way I'm going to be able to fit all of this into my home. These are $3. I've been looking for lavender. Why? That's the monster English lavender. Why? 24 inches tall. Okay, seriously. I'm really excited as weeds going. You need my love. You definitely need it. But this one's more fuller, so I may have to just get one Work with one. I can't have a huge plant haul right now. Oh gosh, it's really sad. Oh, here's the rest of them. Okay, so I have options. I want more. You all, I'm going to try. I'm going to show you a picture of me squeezing all of these into my vehicle. I'm so happy. This is why you have to travel with the SUV. Okay, I'm going to just stop there and make sure there's nothing else that I want. There's hiding in between anything. That's a pretty one. Doesn't look like it's in. Oh, this is just one. Oh, there's two of them. $3 also. And I love my verbena, so I'm definitely gonna. I can't just not get one. Oh, look at it though. That's in great shape. Nothing is wrong with that. Last but not least, this perennial is a cheddar pink. It has the purple sign. We have to find out what's purple. Let's see. Just looks like grass though. It's beautiful. Found a way to stack them on my cart. Okay, now I'm about to head to checkout. This is a real plant haul, you all. How much do you all think I'm going to spend? $150. Possibly $110. We're going to see. So Marcus told me that we have plenty of space for this. He said it's a big truck, so we're gonna see. Okay. All right. They made it, you all. They made it. Can't even tell. Bags on that side. Plants. Oh, I don't have time to go through all the rest of the plants, but they even have an outside garden on the side. It's just too many plants. This is the size of many nurseries. But I did see this and I wanted to know something. Let's find out what type of shrub this is that was dying. Oh my God, the hydrangea sweet summer. For all the hydrangea lovers, I knew it. Green.